Hi, welcome to Sherry's Crafting and More. I wanted to come on really quick today and show you a craft that I just finished. It's a primitive decor craft, which is what I have. A lot of my items in my house are. My husband found this old bottle for me a couple of years ago, and I decided to make something out of it. It says 1 gallon on it, so I assume it was an old milk jug. What I did was took chalk paint, painted the whole jug. I took white chalk paint, painted the rim and the handle. Found this star at Dollar Tree and painted it white and hot glued it on. And I found this really cute little beaded chain with the tin house at the Dollar Tree. It goes perfect with this, and it really goes well with my primitive decor in my home. So I hope you like this, and for more crafts and crafting tips, please follow me on my Facebook Sherry's Crafting and More Facebook page and my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a very blessed day. Bye.